You want to control Pangolin Beyond from Depence? Or do you want to render a timeline show from Pangolin Beyond? No problem. In this video you will see the basic steps for quick results. First, create a sequence with the length of your music file used in Beyond. Then we need to import the audio of our show. Then we need to load the sequence we just created by double-clicking on it. Right-click and create an audio track in the left column of the timeline. Now drag and drop the audio in the timeline and adjust it roughly. Now we need to make Depence and Beyond talk to each other. We are using Depence to send timecode to Beyond. Make sure Depence and Beyond are set up in the same network before. Here we only need SNTC and laser protocols to be set up. Now we are setting up a visualizer which will create the connection for us. In the Hardware Manager, press the plus icon on the top left. Then select Visualizer and click OK. Then click on Synchronization and select Internal Clock on the left column and SNTC in the right. Also select 60 frames per second in the right column. Back in Beyond, press TCN and then go to Settings and go to the Configuration menu. Go to the Timecode Input tab. Make sure it is set up like this. Now go to Network Settings and make sure Visualizer and SNTC is set to the IP we already set up in Depence or to Automatic. Now we need to tell the show file that it has to listen to the TC input. Right-click on the Show tab and go to Show Settings. Click on the Timecode Input tab and activate Allow Timecode Input. Now click this button in Depence to activate the synchronization. It should work now. Now we need to mute the audio track in Beyond since now Depence is the master. Did you heard the offset when I played it first? Let's fix that quickly. When you click on the music in Beyond, you'll see the start time of the music under Events in the right. The music in Beyond starts at 350 milliseconds, now we need it to do the same in Depence. It's the same here, left-click on the music and under Settings and then enter the start time. That is much better, right? Now Depence is in control of Beyond. Let's do render a video of the show. Click on Render at the bottom of the show sequencer in Depence. Now you set up all parameters to your needs. When you finished setting up all parameters, hit the Start Rendering button and grab yourself a well-deserved coffee, or two. Or you take your wife for dinner. Depending on the show length, hardware, and complexity of the show, it might take a while. Don't forget to subscribe that you never miss any new quick tip. If you want a specific topic to be covered in future videos, leave me a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. If you want to see the whole show, click the link in the video window or description.